Want to make an extra $100 a day from your phone? If you have internet access and know how to use AI, you can start making money today. And no, you don't need any special skills or a big investment. In this video, I'm giving you the complete 2025 guide to starting your own AI-powered business from scratch. Let's get right into it. First things first, you need to pick a service to offer. The three easiest to start with are copywriting, graphic design, and short-form video editing. Why these three? Because AI can do most of the heavy lifting for you, and businesses are always looking for help in these areas. Think about what you enjoy most. Do you like writing? Go with copywriting. Are you more of a visual person? Try design. Love TikToks and Reels? Video editing is for you. Don't overthink it. Just pick one to start. Now for the fun part, the AI tools. These are your new best friends. For copywriting, ChatGPT is your go-to. You can use it to write blog posts, emails, social media captions, and even website copy. Just give it a clear prompt, and it'll spit out high-quality content in seconds. For graphic design, Canva is an absolute powerhouse. It has an AI image generator, magic design tools, and tons of templates that make creating stunning visuals a breeze. You can design logos, social media posts, and presentations with just a few clicks. And for video editing, CapCut is a game changer. It has AI features like auto captions, background removal, and smart templates that turn raw footage into viral-worthy videos, the best part. All of these tools have amazing free versions to get you started. Okay, so you have your service and your AI tools. Now, where do you find clients who will actually pay you? This is easier than you think. Start with Facebook groups. Search for groups related to small businesses, entrepreneurs, or your specific service. Join them, offer value, and let people know you're available for hire. Next, set up a profile on Fiverr. It's a freelance marketplace where clients are actively looking for services like yours. Optimize your gig with clear descriptions and examples of your AI-powered work. Finally, don't sleep on Instagram DMs. Find businesses in your niche, look at their content, and send them a personalized message explaining how you can help improve their copy, design, or videos using your new skills. For example, "Hey, I noticed your latest reel didn't have captions. I can add engaging, AI-generated captions to your videos to boost watch time. Interested in a free sample?" It's all about making the first move. Once you land your first few clients and start making money, it's time to scale. The key here is automation. You want to build systems that save you time so you can take on more clients without burning out. This is where tools like Zapier and Notion come in. Zapier is an automation tool that connects your apps and services. For instance, you can create a Zap that automatically saves new client emails from your inbox into a Notion database. Speaking of Notion, it's perfect for creating a project management dashboard. You can track all your clients, deadlines, and tasks in one place, and don't forget to level up your ChatGPT game. Create a library of custom prompts for your most common tasks. For example, a prompt for writing a 5-email welcome series or a prompt for generating 30 social media post ideas. This way, you're not starting from scratch every time. By automating your workflow, you can handle more work in less time, pushing your income well past that $100 a day mark. So there you have it, the full roadmap from $0 to $100 a day using AI. It's not magic. It's a formula. Choose a service, master the AI tools, find clients, and then scale with automation. The most important thing to remember is that consistency beats talent. The person who starts today and stays consistent will always beat the person waiting for the perfect time. So start today, not tomorrow. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more guides on making money with AI. Let me know in the comments which service you're going to start with. See you in the next one.